today I'm gonna be putting on LOL accessories.
So you got the LOLs in front of you there?
Yes, I don't know this girl's name, but I got Kitty Queen and Pink Baby.
Why are they naked?
So I can put on the accessories. So now I'm gonna open the box.
Alright.
And I do like LOLs because they're always collectibles, and you can get the babies, the pets, accessories. Awesome. Now let me see what kind of accessories I got. So I'm almost done opening it. I see. And now I'm almost done unwrapping this because I don't know what this is for, but I got this and no idea what they and I got this. Whoa, hold on, what is that?
Can you hold it up to the camera so we can see? Okay.
That is cool. I don't know what this is. I think you have to dig in for the. You have to dig in for the. You have to take this thing out, but I don't know how. And dig in for the accessories, I guess. Yes, you gotta dig in for accessories. I found the shoe.
Yeah, like some sort of nasty gel.
No, I don't know what this is actually. All I know smells like plastic. This looks like a shirt. I got the skirt. And I got the other shoe. And this, I honestly have no idea why they put this inside. Now I had to take off this gel thing out of the shoe, and this gel thing is really messy, so you should have a paper towel near you. And I think I'm almost done. Okay, now I'm done. So now I'm gonna put the accessories on Pink Baby. Let's see if this will work. Put the accessories there and put the accessories now on Pink Baby. So let me put the shirt on first. What I like most, what you can get from LOLs, I mostly like the accessories and the dolls because
What about the pets? You don't like the pets?
Not so much.
I prefer the dolls.
Yeah, and the babies.
Okay.
With the accessories, I love that. And I need help down the shirt. Help me with the doll. Let's put on the shirt and the doll. But now I am going to put on the skirt. Let's see if this works actually now. I almost got it on. Ooh, and now I got it. Now I'm gonna put on the shoes. Okay. See, the shoes still have gel on it. One of them I'll use. Now, let's see the other shoe. Okay, the other shoe is. So now I got this dog. And now this is Pink Baby with the accessories on. And I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe down below. Bye! Until next time!